In this episode, we will create a pull request to fix issue found by Snyk. Okay, so we configured the Snyk, we created the project, we removed the project, I added this project back again. You see it right now on the screen. Let's explore a little bit for a second what we have here. So again, we have a project with three different, I should say the target. You remember the last episode? If you didn't watch it, I spoke about the difference between targeted projects, and you can find the link somewhere there. So we have three projects in our target, right? So these projects are three Docker files for WordPress, for MySQL, and for HA proxy. For HA proxy, it's of course the clear situation. It's empty, right? But we have WP, so WordPress and MySQL. So let's go back for a sec here for dashboard. And what we can see here, we already did the review, what we see in the reports, right? So here we have the overview, and just to go quickly with you once again, just to have small recap, we have a lot of information about the issues, about the vulnerabilities, about the severity of it, and so on and so on and so on and so on. But what we want to do is to open the pull request for fixing it. So let's see if we can really do it. So let's see if we can open this pull request and what it contains. Okay, so what it will be there. So first of all, I will open the GitHub repository. Here we are, right? So it's kind of old. Come on. All right, so 5 and 4 years ago. So yeah, long time. And we have here our projects for WordPress. Okay, so what we will do is we will try to fix this project, and maybe we can have clean build really. We have of course alternative upgrades, we have more options, we have information about current image. It is based on PHP 7.4. It contains 240 vulnerabilities, and we can upgrade. The proposed upgrade was to the major upgrade, PHP 8.1, Apache 84 vulnerabilities. So definitely better. Let's see. Let's try to open this fix. All right. So what we will do, we are opening the fix pull request to this repository to our Docker file for WordPress. So we have this file here. Right, we have this Docker file. Let's come back to the main directory. And as you can see, I don't have any pull request here open. There is one old closed. So let's come back to the code and to our PR. All right, so we changed from PHP 7.4 to PHP 8.4.1. Now we have this pull request opened, right? It is pull request. Let's see what we have on the Snyk side first. As you can see, well, there is nothing really, nothing changed here. We still have a lot of options. We still have information like we had before about recent findings, nothing more, right? But here, as we can see, Snyk opened the pull request for us. So let's go here for a sec, go to pull requests, and you can see there is this pull request, okay? So it is opened by me, because I am registered, I am logged into Snyk, but also I have in the title Snyk. So this is quite informative, quite good information, nicely done. We have very nice logo. We have information that Snyk created this PR to fix two vulnerabilities, really? 2 vulnerabilities only. Come on, Snyk. It's 5 years old Docker file. We have here the information about some high and critical vulnerabilities, and that the recommendation is to do this, and it will hit the file in images WP Docker file. Okay, so we have more information, blah 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 blah. All right, and now what I can do, of course there is no pipeline, nothing. This is simple old repo, just like this. So let's do the merge, but before we do it, let's check commits and files, and also we will take a look on the branches. So let's go to commits. There is one commit, of course, to one file, of course. We have these vulnerabilities there, and we have one change from PHP 7.4 to PHP 8.1. All right, perfect. That sounds good. And here we have the confirmation only one file was changed. Perfect. Let's come back to the code for a second. And now we have this new branch created by Snyk. So Snyk fix something, something, something. Right? Nothing changed here except the information in our WP Docker file. Right? So we have PHP 8.1. All right. In the original branch, we had 7.4. This is so old repository that it still uses master not main. Well, like it should be now. Okay, let's come back to pull requests. We opened this pull request, and we merge this pull request. Confirm. And of course, I want to delete the branch to not keep this like obsolete. All right. So we are done here. Let's come back to code. Now we have only master branch, so main branch, right? When we go into images, WP Docker file, we can see we already have 8.1. So we successfully fixed this. So as we are here, let's go again to our projects. And we already see that it changed, right? So during the time I fixed this, it triggered Snyk to check, and Snyk already found that I fixed this. So let's do one more thing. We will try to fix MySQL. Okay, we will again try to do the major update. We'll do the same thing. Open PR. Open a fix PR. We have this PR opening right now. Again, very nicely done. Description, very nice conversation created by Snyk. I like it very much because it's everything here, everything what I need. Merge, confirm, and delete the branch. And let's come back to the code. We have only one branch here again, and when I come back to my Snyk, it should be done as well already. Yeah. So it was tested a few seconds ago. We have less vulnerabilities. We still have vulnerabilities though. Let's see these criticals for WordPress then, because criticals are the most important, I think. We have something more here, right? So we have alternative updates, because what we can see, alternative updates gives us still some fixes, right? Still better security posture. So probably we should do it. So let's see what will be done now, because right now we are on PHP 8.1 Apache, right? So maybe we will do the PHP CLI, for example. Okay, we have it. And let's see what changes do we have. We have only one file change again, and it is only this thing here. All right, let's come back to Snyk. Let's see our history. We can see that it changed, right, in time. We can easily see that still not everything was fixed, but it's not the thing of Snyk, it's the thing of the images of the software I used here, in this case WordPress. And this is the way how we can easily update our projects, our targets in this case, or maybe no, in this case, really our projects, right? Not targets, because we didn't fully updated all components. We did it one by one. Interesting thing here, we can see that we still have opened PR, right? So I didn't close that on purpose to see if we can see it in any way, because previously I showed you in the project section. Let's do it again. Here I didn't saw any information about opened PR. I can see it on the dashboard. So here I can see directly the PR I opened. So in this surprisingly short episode, we created the pull request for specific project. We reviewed this pull request. We also fixed and merged and fixed the pull request into the baseline. So with help of Snyk, we did the fixing, and it was quick, it was straightforward, it was easy, and this is exactly what I expect from the tool like Snyk. So that's it. I'm looking forward for the next episode of Snyk. I don't know what I will do, maybe something with CLI, we'll see. My name is Paweł Piwosz, see you next time.